Solar system. By the end of this topic, you will be able to describe the concept of solar system. Our solar system consists of planets and their moons in orbit revolving around the sun, together with smaller bodies such as asteroids, meteorites, and comets. Sun is a huge ball of hot gases, mostly hydrogen and helium. It is about 1.4 million kilometers in diameter, which is 110 times the diameter of the Earth. The Sun is the source of almost all energy on the Earth and on other planets. The planets of our solar system in order of their distances from Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The time taken by a planet to complete one revolution is called its period of revolution. All the planets take different times to complete one revolution. Earth takes 365 days to revolve around the Sun, whereas Mercury, the closest to the Sun, takes only 88 days. Neptune, being the farthest planet from the Sun, takes 165 years to complete one revolution. Our Earth, besides revolving around the Sun, also rotates about its axis on every 24 hours. Similarly, other planets also rotate on their axis. The period of rotation is the time taken by a planet to complete one rotation about its axis. Mercury. The planet nearest to the Sun is very hot during the day. Its gravitational force is not strong enough to hold an atmosphere, therefore, it becomes freezing cold at night. It is covered with many bowl shaped craters. Venus is the hottest planet due to the high percentage of carbon dioxide present in the planet. It appears as the brightest planet in the sky due to its cloudy atmosphere, which reflects 75% of the sunlight. Earth is the only planet on which life is known to exist. It has an atmosphere containing the gases oxygen and carbon dioxide, which are necessary for life. The right distance of the Earth from the Sun and suitable atmosphere around it help to maintain the right temperature on the Earth for survival of life. Earth appears blue-green in color due to reflection of light from water and land mass on its surface. Mars is a red, rocky planet about half the size of the Earth. Its surface is covered with craters and mountains. Mars is a cold planet with very thin atmosphere. There is a belt of irregular shaped bodies called asteroids, roughly located between the planets Mars and Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. It has a large spot on its surface and has faint rings around it. Saturn is the second largest planet and it is very cold. There are three wide rings made of ice and dust surrounding this planet. Uranus is a cold planet. Uranus, like Venus, rotates on its axis from east to west. Being farthest planet from the Sun, Neptune is a very cold planet. It can only be seen with a powerful telescope. Solar system is comprised of 8 planets and their moons revolving around the Sun. Mars, Earth, Venus and Mercury are closer to Sun and are called as inner planets. Neptune, Uranus, Saturn and Jupiter are very far from Sun and are called outer planets. A planet has a fixed path in which it rotates called as orbit.